Greetings, viewers, and thanks for joining me out in the shop today. As we're looking down here at the third gen, guess what is not there? The Trakmotive extended travel high angle CV. Yes, I broke one of those. Now I have it out on the bench. I'm going to show you what it looked like on the inside, explain what I did and how I broke it. Fortunately, I was here at my own property when I did so. It was bound up extremely bad. I was turning the wheel at full lock and trying to climb sideways with that tire when the CV snapped. So what happened? You can see all of the ball bearings got shoved down in there. What you can kind of see there is half of the cage. The cage broke. The cage that holds the ball bearings. The end did not break. The splines didn't break. This end didn't break. Just that little bit of cage, and you can see it in there. So, when I installed these, I said with that beveled angle on the end, it might be hard to get these back out. Actually, it's not. You just go between your dust cover. Yeah, push your pry bar in there and pop your dust cover back, and then you can get right in this area right here and pop it out. Came right out, no worries. That was easy. If you go to Trakmotive's website and inquire about warranty, it says first thing, go to the place where you bought them for your warranty. So I called Rock Auto, where I got these from, and I said, man, I'm unclear on this limited lifetime warranty. Can you explain it to me how it works? He said, it's very simple. You go on returns, click warranty, fill out the warranty information, and we spit out form for you to fill out, which is the first time I've ever been asked to fill out a form with my VIN on it. And then they give you the shipping. You have to pay for the return shipping, but they ship you the new one for free. He says, as soon as you drop that off at FedEx and we get the tracking number, we ship your new one out so that they cross in the mail. I said, okay. I said, because the limited lifetime warranty stipulations seemed confusing. He said, it's as simple as go to our return desk, fill out the form. We send you one as soon as you ship this one off. He says, just that easy. So, I'm not trashing Trakmotive. I'm getting my replacement. I'm putting it in. I've got them in my Tundra as well. Yes, I do carry spares. I'm rebooting this one as a spare, and I do carry spares for my third gen, but I'm still not giving up on these. I did have it in a really break a CV type situation, and it just broke the cage, which is the easiest part to break. The simplest part to replace, especially since all the balls are still there, and I didn't fark it up by driving it a long distance. I just had to go out of my woods. So, all that to say, I broke my first Trakmotive. I'm getting it warranted through Rock Auto. If you break yours and you get them through Rock Auto, just go right on there, fill out the warranty claim, get your paperwork, send it back in. Now, I did keep those boxes because I was putting my extras in those boxes because they stack real nice in your truck. So I'm glad I had even the original box to return it in. So all this going on, this is my update on the Trakmotive CVs. Just a little few minutes here. I'm going to pop this in the middle of the week somewhere. Oswald and I are got a lot of other work to do. Finally got the master cylinder replaced here on the 4Runner, so I'll have brakes again. Thanks, Nate, for that, a whole bunch. And I'm going to get this CV changed. I still have this tie rod end over here that's bad, but it's not terrible, so I'm not replacing that just yet. It's pretty simple. Maybe I should do it. Anyway, I'll get to that. I should have my CV back in just a couple days through Rock Auto's warranty return policy. You see the red T100's gone. Got to replace a cam gear. on this. I may do a video on how to replace that cam gear and make sure that you save your timing belt and don't get things out of time. Maybe will, maybe won't. Lots more to come. Appreciate you watching this little update. Thanks a whole bunch for supporting my channel by liking and subscribing and checking links and leaving comments and stuff. Super appreciate that. Super appreciate you. Thanks for listening to me on the update here. As soon as I get it back, I'll slap it in. And if I have any more issues, I'll let you know. So appreciate you. Have a super great day.